How to make any woman want you, even if she's not interested. From the dawn of civilization, men have sought the mysterious art of attraction, the power to ignite desire even in the face of indifference. In ancient times, warriors and philosophers alike understood that influence was not born from words alone, but from presence. In Greece, the Stoics spoke of self-mastery, the ability to remain calm, grounded, and desirable, not through pursuit, but through detachment. Women were drawn not to those who chased, but to those who commanded themselves. During the Renaissance, charm evolved into an art form. Courtly love taught men to pair mystery with confidence, blending intellect and subtle passion. A man's gaze, posture, and silence carried more power than declarations of affection. Attraction became psychological, a game of tension, curiosity, and poise. By the 20th century, psychology unraveled the science behind desire. Thinkers like Freud and Jung explored the unconscious magnetism between masculine and feminine energies. The concept of want transformed. It was no longer about appearance, but emotional impact. Women responded to confidence, ambition, and the feeling of being understood rather than impressed. In the digital age, attraction has shifted again. While many chase validation through texts and social media, the rare man who remains centered, who radiates quiet certainty, stands apart. Women are drawn to that unshakable presence, the man who doesn't need her attention, yet effortlessly earns it. He listens more than he speaks, observes more than he reacts, and embodies purpose instead of persuasion. Thus, the secret through history has never been manipulation, it's evolution. The power lies in transformation, becoming a man of substance, mystery, and emotional intelligence. The one who no longer seeks to make her want him, but who simply becomes the kind of man she can't ignore.